Hello, let's talk about problem 3. Please see my screen. For the problem 3, we will help Emily. Emily have to decide what servers to purchase and when to purchase them to minimize costs and to ensure that the company have enough server to follow the implementation timeline. And let's see the problem A. Emily first decided to evaluate the number and type of servers to purchase on a month-to-month basis. Please note it's a month-to-month basis. And for each month, formulate an integer programming model to determine which servers Emily should purchase in that month to minimize costs and support the new users. And I should use IBM to solve the problem. And please see my answer. First, I let Si be the number of corresponding servers purchased. Then this is my answer for months 1 and 2. The objective function is like this, and this is the constraints. We should notice that x1, x2, x3, x4 are all integers. And we should also note that there is some important things in the paragraph. I have highlighted them. Please read. Then I run the code in the IBM. This is my code. It's clear and simple. Yes, this is the answer. So we should purchase 2 standard PC for months 1 and 2 and cost 5,000. And for month 3, this is objective function and constraints. And the code is like this. And I also run the code. This is the answer. So we should buy one SGI workstation for month 3. The cost is 10,000. And for month 4, the objective function, the constraints, and this is my code. And I run the code. Yes, this is the answer. And so purchase one standard PC for month 4 is the best. And the cost is 2,500. And for month 5, the things are different. The objective function is like this, and this is the constraints. This is the code. Yes. And I run the code. This is the answer. So we should purchase one enhanced PC for month 5, and the cost is 5,000. Finally, we calculate the total cost. We just add all costs in each month. The answer is 22,500. Now let's see the part B. For the part B, Emily decides to evaluate the number and type of servers to purchase over the entire planning period. Note that it's the entire planning period. We should also formulate an integer programming model to solve the problem and run the code in IBM. So let's see my solution. First, I let z equal to 0 or 1 in different situations. Yes. And then I let xij be the number of corresponding servers in different months. Please note that Y33, Y34, Y35 is very important. Yes. these two lines. And this is my objective function. This is my constraints. And all xij and all yij are integer, and z is binary. We should also notice that these 6 lines are very important. Then I run the code. This is my code. It's so long. Yes. Then I run the code. Sorry? Yes, this is the solution. We can see the solution. So we should just purchase one SGI workstation in months 1 and 2 and one SGI in month 3. Total cost is 18,000. And let's see the question C. Why is the answer used in the first method different from that used in the second method? I think this is very obvious. Second method finds the cost for the best overall purchase policy, but the first one only finds the best purchase policy for the given month. Ignore the fact that the decision in particular months has an impact on later decisions. So method in A is a very short-sighted and yields a worse result. And there is also a question D. Are there any costs that Emily is not accounting for in her problem formulation? I give some examples. For examples, the training cost, labor cost for network installation, salary and benefits for network administrator, and so on. There is a last question, that is, what further concerns might the various departments of the company have? And this is my answer. I give several examples. Firstly, the department may be concerned about the new technology will eliminate jobs, and the department may be concerned about the security of their own data when sending it over network. And that is all about question 3. Thank you.